In this video, I will show you how to disable all ads on your Facebook account. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you will not make any mistake, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. First of all, go to your Facebook app. So after you open your Facebook app, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. Go to menu, scroll to down. Under this menu, as you can see, tap on this settings and privacy. Tap on this settings. So now all you have to do now, tap on this search icon and search for ADS. After you search for ADS, all you have to do now, tap on this first option which says add preferences. Under this add preferences, as you can see now, the first option Facebook says advertisers you have seen most recent. So here is advertisers that used to send me ads on my Facebook account most recent. As you can see, here is the ads now. So first of all, now go and hide all these ads. So now as you can see now, I hide the most recent advertisers. So in order for you to disable all the ads, all you have to do now, tap on this ad settings. Scroll to down and tap on this section which says category used to reach you. Under this, scroll all the way to down. As you can see now, make sure you turn off all this section. As you can see here, it says employer, job title, education, relationship. So make sure you turn off all this section. After you turn off all this section, all you have to do now, scroll to down again and tap on these other categories. Under these other categories, tap on this see all categories. So as you can see now, here are all the advertisers that, or here are all the type of ads that Facebook used to send me on my Facebook account. So now all you have to do now, go and remove all these ads. As you can see now, tap on this remove button to remove them. As you can see now, if you tap on this remove button now, it just remove the ads from your Facebook account. So now all you have to do now, go and follow all these to remove them. So after you remove all these ads on your Facebook account, so now Facebook will not send you on any ads on your Facebook app. That's it guys, to remove all the ads. That's it guys on how to disable all the ads on your Facebook. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.